Liam buys a computer game for $36, including a sales tax of 20%. Calculate the sales tax. Liam pays, or rather buys, a computer game for $36, which included the sales tax of 20%. Calculate the sales tax. It is important to note that the $36 cost was entire, that including the payment of the computer game plus the sales tax of the 20%. So what we are having here is 120%, and 120% is just 1.2, which is equals to $36. And if this is true, then we would want to know what is the cost of the computer game alone before the tax. So if you divided both sides by 1.2, 1.2 divided by 1.2, you will get one part, which is 100%. That means the cost of the game, the computer game, the 36 divided by 1.2 is actually 30. These are $30. This is actually the cost of the computer game before it is taxed. Remember, the 100% is the cost of the computer game before tax. It is after tax that the computer game now attracts 20% of this to make the entire price $36. Meaning that the cost of the computer game before tax is 30, and the cost of the computer game after tax is 36. Question is, calculate the sales tax. The sales tax is the cost after the tax minus the cost before tax, and that is $36 minus $30, which is just $6. That is the sales tax. The computer game itself was costing $30. The sales tax is $6, giving us the entire final cost to be 30 plus 6, which is $36, as you can see here. It is also important to note that what is 20% of 30? What is 20% of 30, which is 0.2 times 30? This is basically 6. This is another approach of that question, because sales tax is 20% of the original cost of the computer game, which was found to be 30, and the 20% of 30 is $6. That is another approach to that question. Thank you, and let us meet in the next video.